producers just studying first class in Francis School. There are different kinds of animals in the world. Some animals live in forests, some are kept at homes and farms. People keep animals like dogs, cats, parrots, rabbits and fish at home. Pets become our good friends. They help us in many ways, like dogs guard our home and cats keep rats away. We keep animals like cows, buffaloes, ox, goats, sheep, horses and hens in farms. Farm animals help us in many ways. We get milk from cows, goats and buffaloes. We drink milk to grow strong and healthy. We get eggs from birds such as ducks and hens. Some people eat fish and meat. We get honey and wax from beehives. We get silk from silkworms and wool from sheep. The skin of dead animals such as buffaloes, camels, sheep and snakes are used to made of leather. Our shoes, belts, wallets and handbags are made of leather. Animals are born who they are, accept it, and that is that. They live with recipes and people do. Thank you.